The next stop is Concourse A, serving Air Canada, Alaska, Allegiant, Frontier, Southwest, Sun Country, United Airlines, and some American airline flights. Please move to the center of the vehicle and away from the door.
Bro, I was driving his Kia that day that I came over to your work.
How can I get in trouble? No, I want a picture of me and Brett up on the stage. Wait, nah, I gotta see this. Yeah, I saw that. Wait, go on stage. Yeah, bro, needs to go. Please get a bro, yeah. Oh my god, like look at how low you've gone to. This is a new low. You're taking
Cincinnati Concourse, again, this part passengers, please make your way to gate D11 for immediate outside departure. Once again, this is the Concourse.
Well, I came into escort, but we weren't needed as escorts. And then they were like, and I'm like, that's it. Just 13.
Cupid fell. It fell upon a little western flower. Before, milk white, now purple with love's moon. And maidens call it love in idleness.
Rod.
This
I'm good. Did you see what happened here when we arrived? They pulled up to well, they could be around.
And we'll be doing a lot of festivities here for the next little bit until we board out of B10. But how about that inbound flight? We're so pleased that all of you are passengers, a wonderful team from British Airways, and our CVG board and team are here to celebrate tonight. Please feel free to take photos, videos as we're doing, and post those on social media, tag PDA, tag CVG. It is my pleasure now. We're going to have a few remarks, and we're going to lead off with our CVG Airport Board Chair, Lisa Sauer. Lisa.
Thank you, Seth. On behalf of the Airport Board, I want to thank everybody here this evening for helping us to celebrate this very special event. We are very pleased to commemorate the first air service between CVG and London's Heathrow Airport by British Airways. We would like to thank British Airways for the service and also for their commitment to CVG and the region. It's really fantastic. And I would like to, on behalf of the board, express our deep appreciation to the CVG Airport team and all their community partners who worked so hard to get us to this point. We know that with this flight, we are going to make a significant impact for both business and leisure travelers. And on a personal note, I haven't been to London in a while, actually since February of 2020, and I'm really looking forward to getting back via a direct flight from CVG. And now I want to hand over the podium to Candace McGraw, the CEO of CVG Airport.
Thank you, Lisa. I'm so happy to see all of you here, particularly all our friends from British Airways. You know, Lisa, I just got back from London about 2 weeks ago, and I had a marvelous trip to London. Frankly, it would have been better, though, if I had a direct flight. So now I'll be able to make that happen, and I will sooner be returning to London, what a fabulous city. And for all of you passengers that are taking this first flight, potentially I am very envious. You will have a marvelous time, and I know the people of British Airways will take such great good care of you all. So, you know, when we set out for the strategic plan of the airport, our goal was to redefine and elevate the role of the airport for the entire Cincinnati region. And I'll tell you, this flight typifies that. You know, it takes a village to grow a city. It to raise a city, to raise a family. In this case, it was true. We pursued this flight for probably about 5 years. And I want to thank so many people that are here today for their persistence and their help in pursuing that flight. Our VP for Air Service Development, Bobby Span, worked tirelessly on this, and so I want to thank him publicly. But I also want to thank a number of our community partners here. So we have Terry Slaybaugh with Jobs Ohio, Katie Smith with the Kentucky Cabinet for Economic Development, Kim Rock with Ready. We have Lee Kroom with BNKY, Joy Kirkpatrick at NKY, and Joy Coward of Visit CC. All of those folks work very hard and partner with us to make this flight a reality. And we have an additional We also have a great board, and as Lisa mentioned, many of them are here today, and so with their support, we're able to offer great service like this for our community. One of the things that this flight does, of course, is help all the businesses in town and help grow business. We're so pleased to partner with companies like FIS, DHL, GE Aerospace, all of whom have told us they will make good use of this flight. And we're also happy for all the tourism benefits this flight will bring to our community. And so we know Joy Kirkpatrick and Joy Coward have been working with us to actually tell our story of our region. We all love this hometown, we all love our region. And the first flight arrived here a little bit ago, and we'd be pleased to know it was full. Right? So we have a full flight inbound from London, we'll have a full flight outbound to London. And that speaks volumes to what this region has to offer. Actually, the economic impact for this one flight alone for this VA service to this region is estimated at $57 million for our community. So, and last but not least, I really want to thank our team, as Lisa mentioned. We have a great team at CVG. They throw a heck of a good party and actually deliver even better service. So I'm glad you could all join us for this evening. With that, I think it's time for me to introduce Neil Chernoff from British Airways. And I'd like to ask Neil to come up and join me. So what I have here for Neil is a beautiful tile from Brookwood Pottery, actually one of my favorite businesses in town. The story of Brookwood Pottery, I think, typifies this region. It was founded in 1880 by a woman entrepreneur, and this tile represents the city skyline and focuses on the Roland Suspension Bridge. Some of you may know the Cincinnati trivia, but that was the prototype for the Brooklyn Bridge. And for me, the Roland Suspension Bridge really is the symbol for our region, making both Ohio and Kentucky. And what does airports do? What do flights do? What do airlines do? Provide the connection, provide the airports. So with that, thank you for this service. I appreciate it.
Thank you very much. Well, I would also like to present a gift to the CVG Airport on behalf of British Airways. And what would make a better gift than a model airplane number 787-800, which is the same aircraft that flew in today, and most people in the Skate area who are here will be flying.
Well, thank you. It's beautiful. We will display proudly. Thank you.
And we can't wait to connect two cities that both have so much to offer. I was born and raised in Chicago, and my mother's family is from Central Ohio. So I've spent large parts of my childhood and my adult life in the Midwest. This is why I'm personally so excited at how easy it will be for so many people in the states of Ohio, Kentucky, and Indiana to travel nonstop to the UK. And of course, this only opens up further connections within and beyond the UK, thanks to our vast global network. With direct connectivity to the UK and convenient connections to Europe, Africa, the Middle East, India, and beyond, we believe British Airways will play an important role in bringing people together, reuniting friends and family, enabling people to discover new places, and facilitating business on both sides of the pond. We have always found that the key to success when launching a new route is local support and interest. A huge thank you to the CVG Airport team, the business development community, the various tourism partners that we have worked with leading up to this route launch. Your enthusiasm has been amazing and will no doubt ensure that this route is a real success. You might ask, why do we find Cincinnati particularly attractive as a new British Airways route? The city itself is home to a variety of sports teams, performing arts venues, museums, and parks. We were impressed with unique neighborhoods like Over the Rhine and Covington, offering an eclectic mix of restaurants, breweries, cocktail bars, and art galleries. And for a taste of history and fine spirits, we think visitors from the UK and beyond will love a trip along Kentucky's Urban Trail for a truly unique American experience. For those of you flying today's inaugural British Airways flight to London, I hope you enjoy our quintessentially British products and services that you'll find on board this Boeing 787. For those considering booking a flight over the coming months, we have a range of flexible fares, price points, and cabins to meet our customers' needs. Other benefits include a generous baggage allowance and complimentary food and drink on all our long-haul flights. Our flights from Cincinnati to Heathrow will operate 5 times a week this summer and 4 times a week in winter. Lastly, before we cut the ribbon, I want to emphasize that British Airways are focused on the sustainable future. We know that flying comes with an environmental cost, and now more than ever, we need to take greater action to tackle the impact of passenger planning. We are making progress in reducing our emissions and waste, and to give our customers more choice. Once you have booked, you can calculate your travel emissions online. You also have the option to purchase high-quality carbon offsets from certified climate projects and SAF, which is sustainable aviation fuel, either before or after your flight. Thank you again for such a warm welcome. We really look forward to welcoming you on board Flight VA 121 for the aviation enthusiasts in the audience, Speedbird Flight 120, VA Flight 120, our inaugural flight to London's Heathrow Airport. Thank you.
Here to perform, and we're very grateful to them. Of all our special guests as well, we're very delighted to have the Honorary Consul General of the United Kingdom to the state of Ohio, Ms. Sandra Morgan, is with us tonight as well, all the way from Cleveland to celebrate with us. So, without further ado, we're going to cut the cake, and then we're going to cut the ribbon. So we'll have cake cutting, and then hopefully you will all get to enjoy some cake down the way, just in front of the VA logo on the wall here, and then we will cut the ribbon and proceed to board. So thank you all very much.
Sold out economy, sold out premium, sold out business. That's crazy.
So you get back. Air Canada is
Last
Hello.
Hello.
27B.
Perfect, you're straight down this first
Thank
one.
you.
Enjoy the flight.
The inaugural flight on a brand new route for British Airways. A big day for our airline and also for Cincinnati. You're all part of the occasion today, and I do very much hope you enjoy the celebrations in the terminal. Without further ado, some introductions for you. Joining me in the flight deck, we have Senior First Officer David Leach, and in the cabin today, your in-flight manager is Chris Barkley. Joined with the team tonight, we have Joanne, Cristiano, Audrey, Alison, Jessica, Sabrina, Judah, and Jack. Well, fair to say, we're just about to close up the last door. As soon as that has been completed, we'll be underway. Today's flight time is 7 hours and 20 minutes. This should see us arriving in London just about on schedule, perhaps just 1 or 2 minutes late. The weather conditions awaiting us there, expected to be very tomorrow, expected to be in the mid-20s, that's the high 70s.
Cabin crew, prepare the manual safety briefing.
Oh, we take this.
We'll now demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft, and your attention is essential as these may differ